Hello, this video is to show you how to use cut and paste prompts. So first of all, I want to talk about what a cut and paste prompt is, and then secondly, where to find them, and finally, then how, once you found them, how to use them. So what a cut and paste prompt is a prompt that someone else has already written. In this case, these are going to be ones that I've already written, and you can just copy the prompt and put it into an AI. That way you don't have to try to write a prompt for yourself, because at first it really is kind of hard to get a good prompt. But once you've seen a few that someone more expert has written, you'll very quickly start to see the pattern of them, and you'll be able to write them yourself in no time. Probably the easiest way is to just look at someone else's prompts, use them for a while. You'll be good to go. Okay, so where are you going to find these prompts? Well, I'm going to share screen and show you how to get there. All right. So this is going to take you to my website. As you can see here, it's learningthatmatters.weebly.com. And then you're going to click on resources. And when you scroll down, you should see this right here. And you're going to click on this first link. So let me demonstrate that. So this time we're going to go to the internet. You can see I'm already in a GPT here. All right, so let's back up a little bit. I'm going to go to learningthatmatters.weebly.com. It's going to show me this, but that's an easy thing to type in and remember. What was I going to do next? You remember? Click on resources. And then what? Yep. Scroll down. And here you go, cut and paste prompts. While I'm here, I'll also point out that the curated resource list is something that you also might find super useful. But today we're focusing on cut and paste prompts, so I'm going to click there. And I'm going to click view, or actually wanted just to make it a little bit bigger. Zoom to 125. All right, so this first page is just kind of introductory. And if you really are new to AI, I think you'll find this page really helpful. But you have to scroll further down to get the actual cut and paste prompts. And here they are. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to design a simple diagnostic quiz. I'd click there. It brings up the link, which I can click on, and it'll take me straight to it. So here's an example of a cut and paste prompt. I'm not sure I've done this to the entire list, but in most cases, I made them kind of a brick red color to distinguish them from my notes or introduction, so forth. So here's a prompt. And now the question is, how do I use this prompt? Well, all I'm going to do is, as the title suggests, copy the prompt and put it into an AI. In this particular case, this prompt is designed to ask you specific questions once you put it in. So what specifically should the quiz test? Who's the audience, and so forth. Other cut and paste prompts you're going to find require you to make some changes in terms of what you're putting in. So for example, let's look at this one. See how it says the subject of the course is X? Obviously, if you put that into an AI, it's going to be like, a course on X? That seems weird. So this is an example, and most of the prompts are like this, where you have to go in and make some changes before you hit enter. So I'm going to I'm going to copy this one. So once you've chosen a prompt or used one that was given to you, if you're in one of my classes, it would be one given to you by me. So once you've got the prompt, you're going to go into an AI. At the moment, just over the past week, when I've been using the various AIs, I'm finding that the brand new OpenAI GPT 4.0 is really outperforming the others. So feel free to use one of the others, but at this point, I'm really mostly using the OpenAI one. Yeah, and that could change. But here now, which is June 2024, the free version of the 4.0 is fantastic. You can only use it for a little while without paying. Like literally, you might be able to use it for 10 or 15 minutes or a certain number of prompts. But often if you pause and come back a little later, it'll have reset to the good quality 4.0. All right, so let's go into openai.com. You can see up here, that's the link. And I had to scroll down. There's a ton of stuff, but I had to scroll down almost to the bottom of the page to get to try ChatGPT. And it's bringing me to my account because I have used this for a long time and I already have an account. You, when you click that button for the first time, may have to create an account. But I'm ready to go. And every time I want to start a new thread, I click ChatGPT up here in the corner and it starts a new thread. Remember, this is a copy and paste prompt, so I'm going to paste it in. There it is. The subject of this course is, let's say it's U.S. history. And the topic of the lesson is the American Revolution. The length of this class period is 50 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit more. American Revolution is pretty broad for a lesson. I'm going to say specifically its causes. The objectives for this lesson are, well, I'm not going to go look up objectives, but well, I'm just going to type in one. But normally I would cut and paste a standard in. The objectives for this lesson are for students to be able to list the causes and explain them. And I've given it a website to look at. And that looks like all that needs to be changed for this to be useful. And I'm going to click go. Nope, it looked up the standards for me. That was nice. Voila, a lesson. So that is how you use cut and paste prompts. And pretty much the only way to really get good at this is to just dive in and try it. And you might make some mistakes when you're first doing this. Mistakes are how you learn. So fear not. I want you to just dive in and try it. And I hope you have a great time doing it. Bye.